Hello all, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to start building the app. Just to recap, we're going to build a console app that is going to take two currencies and then give the current exchange rate between those two currencies. So to create a new console app, you could use .NET new followed by the template. So the template for console is named console appropriately, and you could specify a folder name. And we will call it xRate. Let's see what happens. Okay, it has created a folder for us. We can verify that using ls. I'm going to open that folder in VS Code so that we can look at the code and work with it. So there's basically two simple files. A CS project file. This tells you that when you build it, create an executable, and then target the .NET 5 platform. Now, let's go into the program.cs file. It's a simple main function that is going to be the entry point for our app, and then here is where we can write any business logic. So currently it just prints out hello world. So let's see how to run it. To run a .NET console app, you just need to do .NET run. So this is going to build this app and then runs it. And as you can see, as expected, it writes hello world to the console. So that comes from this line, console.write line. Now, just to make it a bit fun, we'll create a new random number. So random equal to new random, and then we'll print out the next random double or decimal, whatever is available, the next double, which is printed to the console. And let's see what happens. There you go. So if you run it multiple times, it's going to print absolutely random values here. That's the whole point of running random. But now you get the idea. So eventually our app was going to be invoked with something like .NET run, convert USD to Indian rupee, and then you get an exchange rate back as an output. Okay, we will hook this program up to a real exchange API in the next video. See you all. Bye.